there, we are looking at Pythagoras theorem. We have a small problem that we have to solve here. We are given a rectangle, and the rectangle has a diagonal which is measuring 10 centimeters, and we are also told that the length of this rectangle is double the width. So we have to find the dimensions of the rectangle. The first thing that we have to do is to introduce some unknowns or some variables. We have an x here, so we are saying our width is equal to x, and because the length is double the width, and our width should be equal, our length should be equal to 2x. It's a matter of doubling this x to get the 2x. Now you should remember that the diagonal divides the rectangle into two right-angled triangles. So we now have a right-angled triangle which can assist us. Let's make use of Pythagoras theorem to find the dimensions or the sides, the lengths of the sides of this triangle. We know our Pythagoras theorem says a squared is equal to b squared plus c squared. Our a is the hypotenuse. Now our hypotenuse here is 10 centimeters, so it's 10 squared is equal to our, let's take our b as our width, that is x squared plus then 2x in bracket squared. We have to put that in brackets to make sure both of them are squared, and this is equal to x squared plus 4x squared, and this is equal to, I want you to remember that x squared is a coefficient, and the coefficient is 1. Even if we do not write it, we know it is there. So that one coefficient plus this 4, we get a 5x squared, and 10 squared here gives us 100. Then we divide both sides by 5, and we are left with x squared is equal to 20. Then we introduce square roots to both sides. We have x is equal to square root of 20. If we introduce a square root to this x squared, we are going to be left with an x. So the square root of 20 will be equal to 2 root 5. 2 root 5, which as a decimal is 4,47 centimeters, rounded off to the nearest two decimal places. So our width is equal to 4,47 centimeters. And remember, we were told that our length is double the width. So to get the length, it's a matter of doubling or multiplying this one by 2. And if we do that, our length then will be equal to 4.47 multiplied by 2, which is equal to 8,94 centimeters. So our width is 4,47, our length is 8,94. That is Pythagoras theorem. Continue enjoying.